Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add transitions on Davinci Resolve. As you can see, there is two clips in the timeline and I wanna add transition. When I try to drag and paste the transition, nothing is working as you can see here. So there is two ways to add transition. First, you have to trim the clips, just like this. Trim the two clips, then you can drag the transition between the clips, just like this. But this is not a good way in my opinion. What if I don't wanna trim the videos? Then, in this case, first click between the two clips, just like this. Now go to the transition you wanna add and click on the right mouse, and now select this option, add selected edit points and clips, and now click on trim clips, and that's it. As you can see, the transition has been added to the timeline. Now if you wanna change the transition, just drag without clicking on the right mouse. Click on transition and drag between the clips. So there is two ways to add transition. You can trim the clips and drag the transition, or you can just use this way. Select between the clips and then go to the transition, click on right mouse and selected edit points and clips, and then click on trim clips, and that's it. So that's how you can add transition in Davinci Resolve. Have a good day and thank you for watching.